So let's verify another project and let's analyze the code of that particular project, which has multiple languages used in that particular project. So this is a Google Cloud Platform Microservices demo sample application, which is a online boutique application. And here the languages we can see is Python, HTML, Dockerfile, Go, C hash, and Shell, and multiple other languages have been utilized. So let's verify the code of this particular project or application. We will use SonarQube for that. So what we will do is, first we will go to copy this particular code, copy this particular URL. So we are in the terminal. Let's go to repos folder, execute git clone, and it will download the sample application, which is microservice demo application of Google Cloud Platform, into your local system. Once it is downloaded completely, we will configure Sonar project properties file and then execute the analysis. Or let's change something. We will not create Sonar project properties file. We'll directly configure it from the command line. So whatever properties you configure in Sonar project properties file, you can also provide those things into the command line. So it will take time based on your internet connection. So now we can see that entire application is downloaded. Let's verify ls-al, and here we can see the microservice demo application. So we will go to microservice demo application, ls-al again, and we can see different folders available here. Here there is a src folder. So let's do one thing. So as of now we are giving the Sonar scanner path, but what we can do is we can keep it in environment variables, and we can directly use Sonar scanner as well, or we can provide an alias for that. So we'll do that later on. As of now, we are going to remove this particular switch of Java binaries because Java code might not be there. Let's see. So as of now, we can see that we have provided login related information only. So we have only provided token, and we are having the folder. So what we will do is we need to provide sonar.sources, or sonar.source is equal to src folder, and click enter. And here we are. So we do not have Sonar project keys, so let's provide that key. It's equal to microservice demo. Let's see whether it works. Oh no, this is not working again. So our key is wrong. So again the same issue is there. So we have our Java code as well. So what we will do is we will say we provide this particular switch. As of now we can keep dot and here it is. We can see the analysis is successful. Let's go back to our projects. Still there is nothing available, so it might take time. So here now execution is successful. Let's go back, let's refresh. Again it is not there, and the reason is we are in the my favorite section. So click on all section, and here we can see the microservice demo is there. We have 11 bugs. There are multiple code smells, but rest of the things are okay. Duplication is there, there are multiple lines, and let's verify how many languages have been used. So if we go to this particular setting, quality profiles, we can see that this much quality profiles have been used. So we can see that Python, Java, JavaScript, all those languages are automatically detected, and quality profiles are selected based on the default selection available in the quality profile, and the quality gates are also used in a similar way. Let's go back to our microservice demo project and verify the code related stuff. So we know that src folder is verified. We can see issues. There are no there are security hotspot available. So here there are 7 security hotspot to review. Issues, so there are multiple issues. So bugs, there are 11 bugs. There are 7 major bugs. You can see that why there is an issue, right? And there is a compliant solution as well, so accordingly we can modify the code. So this is how we can verify Java based and non-Java based code using SonarQube. So this is how we can configure static code analysis using command line. So here we are using Sonar Scanner as a tool. That's it for today's video. If you like the content, then please like and share the video with your friends. If you have any questions or you have any feedback for me, please leave a comment. I will do my best to respond. Thank you for watching. See you next time.